So we're here at datasheets.com at Embedded Systems Conference Boston 2011. What's datasheets.com? Well, it's the world's most bitchin' repository of datasheets. Why is that important and why do we care? We're here with Hannah and Vineet, and you guys are going to tell us about this. We're going to start with Hannah here because these aren't really sheets anymore, right? They're ones and zeros, so why do we care?
Well, this is a search engine for data sheets. We have about 185 million data sheets. You'll find the data sheets are really easy to read because they're normalized. They're easy to search through and compare, and we provide some features that other sites don't provide.
So what makes datasheets.com so bitchin'?
Well, Google itself is like a horizontal search engine, right? So if you type in something like DMV, you'll find Department of Motor Vehicles, and you would expect to find that. But you type in DMV onto a vertical search engine like datasheets.com, the search engine knows it's a diode, and it knows it's from these particular suppliers, and it should only give you data sheet results and not give you results for the DMV office down in the local branch over there. So it's the context of electronics is really what separates vertical search engines from everything else, from Google or Yahoo or Bing or wherever else.
And are you guys brand new, or have you been around for a while and this is sort of a re-coming out party?
No, we just launched about 2 months ago, July 18th, 2011. So it's been 2 months. We've slowly ramped up, the features on the website. We've got great feedback from the users themselves, and we're actually increasing the number of parametric options and a lot of other data elements that go inside the website itself. So it's going to be an ongoing process for the next few months.
So here at ESC, you guys are giving away these handy dandy little t-shirts, right? Because everybody likes a t-shirt. What's so important about this number, 185 million?
It's one of the highest, one of the biggest databases in online itself. So 185 million parts, you won't find that many in other competing websites out there. So it's easier to search because you have a large database, it's easier to compare. You have a lot more data sheet options, you have a lot more distributor parts being covered from various different distributors. So,
can you walk us through, just give us a sense for the site and how you navigate it?
So, over here we have the main search box here. Majority of the time, an engineer or a buyer will go in there and do a part search. So we'll go ahead and select this part number area. Bear with me. Select the field and type in a part number. Press search. So now it's going to go through a database and find any part number that has that order, that text string in there. If you were to type this into Google itself, you'll find various links from repeated links over and over again of the same data sheet. But here everything is normalized. So you only find one BAV99 in this case from Diodes Inc. Only one BAV99 from Fairchild. Versus on Google, you'll find multiple links for the same Fairchild part number from various different websites. And what we mean by normalized is that same element inside the database is now also matched up with inventory from all the distributors. So this is updated on a nightly basis. So today we know that Avnet Electronics has 171,000 of these in stock as of last night. DigiKey itself has 348,000. And you can go ahead and click the Buy Now button, and it'll go to their website with their shopping carts loaded. And you can go ahead and make your purchase or look at pricing and lead time information from there. So it's a lot of effort that goes behind keeping this database updated. It's not simply a text search to find a PDF document. The normalization of the data is a big process.
Yeah, so let me make sure I understand that. So this is updated, the distributor information is updated on a nightly basis.
Right.
What about updates to the information in a given data sheet, which there's errata and stuff like that
right, so data sheets can be updated over and over again by the manufacturer. It's a big deal because you don't want to deal with an older data sheet that's been out there before. So we work with the top distributors like Fairchild, Infineon, TI. We get their feeds of products and their data sheets themselves on a regular basis, and we compare them to see which ones are in our database. And the datasheet PDFs themselves that are on datasheets.com, they're linking to they're pulled in from the manufacturer's website, so they're fresh in that sense. And we have a quality analysis team whose job is to figure out that all the information, like the descriptions and everything else that's on the database, is reliable information for the design engineer.
Well, there you have it. Background on datasheets.com. clever little URL. Go to datasheets.com, the world's most bitchin' repository of data sheets.